How to go live on TikTok Lite. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to provide you additional information or details for you to be able to execute a live post or going live by using the TikTok Lite version. So, of course, everybody knows that there are specific requirements for you to be able to go live on TikTok from the main application or even from TikTok Lite. Now, to go live, all I have to do is to be at least 18 years old and have a minimum of 1,000 followers. Now, additionally, your account must be in good standing with no active community guideline violations, even if it's just a TikTok Lite. So you can directly go into your profile, and then at the top right, you should see three dots. Tap on that and choose on promote. So this is going to be the first steps that you need to follow for you to be able to check if you're qualified for going live on TikTok if it's just a TikTok Lite application. Follow these on-screen prompts right here for you to be able to promote the account that you're using. And that's how you go live on TikTok Lite.